with furry arms.
Thank you.
Now, Mr. Woodpecker.
Oh, please, not Mister. My friends call me Elwood.
Ah, Elwood. I've put you in the oak room because I know that birds are very fond of trees. I hope you'll feel right at home.
Oh, and Elmo will help Mr. Elwood with his bag.
Follow me, please.
Absolutely.
After you, Mr. Elwood.
Oh,
I'm not sure. A little that way.
Yeah, that way.
Perfect.
Oh, I was delighted to learn, Mrs. Ling, that the Ding-a-Lings are performing here tonight.
Yes, our concert will be magnificent. As long as Mr. Ding shows up. Oh. You see, his glockenspiel has arrived.
Dum, 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 dum. Whoa.
But I have not yet heard from him. And he is not always reliable. He does not always show up.
What was that?
It sounds like someone's playing with a rattle.
Yes, I'll go and check it out. Indeed. Goodness me.
Where's the noise coming from?
Oh, you heard it too. I think it's somewhere on this floor.
Oh, try over there.
Oh, yeah,
Mr. Elwood! I am so sorry to do... What on earth has happened to our walls?
Yeah, look at all the holes.
I know. Quite fantastic, don't you think?
Oh, Mummy, I'm not sure Mr. Elwood should be staying in the oak room.
But he's a bird and birds like trees.
I know, but trees are made of wood. And Mr. Elwood is a woodpecker. Woodpeckers like to peck wood.
Yes, we do. We love it. We could peck all day.
No. Oh, I mean, I'm sure it's oodles of fun. But I have to tell you that pecking holes in wood is not allowed. It's a very strict Furchester hotel rule.
Oh, what? But why?
Because the hotel is made of wood. If you peck holes everywhere, it'll ruin the hotel.
Well, I don't want to ruin the hotel, but this is a big problem for a woodpecker. You see, I need to peck, peck, peck. It's me. It's simply who I am. Can you take the chip from the chipmunk? Can you take the bar from the lamb? It's unheard of. It's impossible. My pecking is unstoppable, for a peckity bird is who I am. A peckity bird, a peckity bird, a peckity bird, a peckity bird. I'd rather peck than fly. A peckity bird, a peckity bird, a peckity bird, a peckity bird, a peckity bird. Am I?
Elmo understands how Mr. Elwood feels.
Maybe he could peck on something else.
Oh, there must be something in this hotel that needs to be pecked. Oh, I've got it. Come with us.
Oh, okay.
Now, our latest delivery of cheese doesn't have any holes. Perhaps you could peck some holes in it.
Ooh, I'm your bird, Miss Furchester. Right, which one? This one?
Yes.
On your marks. Get set. Peck.
Oh, we'll help you. Grab the cheese, Elmo.
Oh, well, that didn't work. The cheese is much too soft.
What else do we have that needs pecking?
Oh, hello, birdie. These cookies need holes. Yeah, me forgot to put in chocolate chippies. So you put in holes and me put in chocolate chippies.
Excellent solution. Cookies are much harder than cheese.
But no peck too hard, cause me no want them to break.
Oh, sorry. I don't know my own strength sometimes.
Oh well. Nom, 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 nom. That's okay. Me go make more, but this time me no forget chips. Bye bye.
Cheese is too soft and cookies are too crumbly. This is quite a problem.
Or maybe I should just leave.
Leave?
Well, yes, I could go and find some tree in the park where I could stay.
We are not going to let you leave, Elwood. We'll think of something. A Furchester never gives up.
A Furchester never gives up, never gives up, never gives up. A Furchester never gives up. We try our very best, 'cause we are monsters through and so we do what monsters do. We hug and oof some more. We oof even harder than before. A Furchester never gives up, never gives up, never gives up. A Furchester never gives up. We try our very best, and a Furchester never, well, hardly ever. A Furchester never gives up.
What is hard enough for Elwood to peck? Let's put our furry heads together and think. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry to interrupt, but could I borrow a couple of furry heads? Because I have an enormous problem to solve myself.
Elmo and I will help you, Dad.
Oh, and we'll carry on here.
Oh, great.
Oh, dear.
Oh, this is terrible. A nightmare. Here is me. Here is my violin. Here is the glockenspiel. But do you see Mr. Ding, who is supposed to play the glockenspiel? No, you do not, because he is late. Again.
Oh, but the concert's about to start and a lot of guests are coming.
Can anyone here play the glockenspiel?
No.
No, but I could try.
Go. Try. You just tap, tap, tap it as fast as you can.
These metal bars are really hard. Hey. That's the wabba! That gives me a monster idea. This could solve both our problems.
Welcome to the Ding-a-Lings in concert. Tonight, a special treat. Put your furry hands together for Mrs. Ling on violin and Mr. Elwood on glockenspiel.
A woodpecker? I thought woodpeckers pecked wood.
Well, this woodpecker also pecks the glockenspiel.
Thank you. Thank you. Those should give a very big thank you to all the Furchesters, especially Phoebe Furchester Fuzz.
Well done.
Thank you.